Good morning, children. In the previous classes, we have read the lesson Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Now we are going to start with the new lesson, the Magic Porridge Pot. The Magic Porridge Pot. This is a story about a girl. Okay. Once there was a little girl. Okay. Her name was Tara. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. Once there was a little girl, Tara. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. One day, Tara went to a forest. There she met an old woman. In the forest, to whom she met with an old woman. The old woman gave her a pot. The old woman gave her a pot. She said, "This is a magic pot. It will cook porridge for you when you say, cook pot cook. It will start cooking. When you will say cook pot cook, it will start cooking. And when you will say and when you don't want, you want to stop, then you have to say stop pot stop. You have to say stop pot stop." When she went to the forest, she met an old woman. An old woman gave her a pot and she said, "When you will say cook pot cook, it will start cooking. The pot will start cooking. And when you will say cook stop pot stop, then it will stop. Immediately it will stop." So cook pot cook and stop pot stop. These were the two magic words she had given. Tara was very happy. She ran to her mother and said, "Mother, we will no longer be hungry." Means we will no more we will be needy for food. We will no more needy for food, as I have got a magic pot. Tara said to the pot, "Cook pot cook." And the pot cooked porridge. What is porridge, children? Porridge, in Hindi we say it dalia, and it is made with grain oats. This porridge is a soft food made with grain. Okay, grain is oats also, grain is wheat also. So this porridge is made with many grains. With wheat, it is called dalia. If it is made of oats, we say it oats only. So porridge means a soft food made by grains. One day Tara had gone out. Her mother felt hungry. Her mother felt hungry. She was having a need of food. She said to the pot, "Cook pot cook." The pot started cooking porridge. After eating it, her mother said, "Do not cook pot," because she forgot the exact words. Stop pot stop ki jagah she said, "Do not cook pot." But the pot went on cooking, because she was not saying the right word. Until or unless she will not say the right word, it will not stop. So she forgot. So she said, "Don't cook pot." But pot did not stop cooking. It was going on, going on, going on. Soon the porridge started spilling on the floor. When the pot got filled, it started spilling on the floor. Mother called out again, "Wait, do not cook anymore." To whom she said? To the magic pot. She said to the magic pot, "Wait, do not cook anymore." But the pot did not stop. Mother ran out of the house and the porridge followed her. When she was running, the porridge was also going behind her. Following her means going behind her. Soon there was porridge everywhere in the village. Everywhere there was porridge. When the whole village saw it, when the village people saw it, they ran to eat the porridge. वो भी भागकर porridge खाने जा रहे. When the Tara came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. She ran home as fast as she could. She ran very fast to her house, her home. She heard her mother shout. When Tara's mother saw Tara, she shouted, "Tara, the pot is cooking and it will not stop. Tara, the pot is cooking porridge and it will not stop." Tara called out. What she called out? "Stop, pot, stop." She called out, "Stop, pot, stop," and it stopped cooking porridge immediately. Foreign, it stopped cooking porridge. Okay, children, read this lesson once, twice or thrice. Okay, जितना भी आप पढ़ सकते हो, जितनी बार आप रीडिंग करोगे, it will be better. Whatever you will not understand, you will ask me on phone. Okay, and ask your elders also if you are not able to read any word. Okay, so I am telling you the meaning of few words here. Spilling. The porridge started spilling on the floor. Spilling means to flow over of anything, to flow over or till the edge of the container, to flow till the edge of the container. Container is a bartan in which we use to keep eatables. That utensil, that pot she said ki it started flowing over. It started coming out of the container. So the meaning is to flow over the edge of the container. So magic means the art of doing something impossible. To do something impossible, doing something impossible. That magic wand was, or magic pot, these things do something which is impossible to do. ऐसा कोई काम जादू से करना जो कि नॉर्मली पॉसिबल ना हो, और वो जादू से करना. इट मीन्स मैजिक. मैजिक मीन्स जादू. Magic wand is also there. Magic, you have heard about it. And magic pot also you have heard now in this story. Porridge means a soft food made with grain, oats, or made with grain, wheat. So, a soft food made with grain. Whole village means the entire village, all the village people. Whole village means all the village people. So, I have told you the meaning of spilling. I have told you the meaning of magic. I have told you the meaning of porridge. And I have told you the meaning of whole village. Okay, children? So, read the story nicely. And we will meet in the next class. I will give you the copywork next time. Okay, bye-bye.